Hi traders, welcome to my 5-part series on how I won first prize in a trading competition in 2022. I'll take you step by step on my approach to winning. So Alex of Expert Forex has set up a competition with $4,000 prize money. The links will be in the description below. If you're Australian like me, you'll need a VPN to access his website So I use Surfshark, which is pretty good. It's only a few dollars a month and it's very easy to use. You can see here I'm connected to Canada, outside of Australia. So that allows me access to Alex's website. I'll summarize the rules for you so you don't have to read through the fine print. First, you need the Profit Retriever robot, which you can buy on expertforex.com. Second, you can have as many live or demo accounts as you want. Why would you go live? Let's create 1 billion demo accounts and use them to enter the competition. 3, you need $10,000 account, which is not a problem. 4, so it spans for 3 months and from May to August, and it's starting in 2 days' time. 5, and you have to trade the same algorithm for 5 weeks. So you can't have massive lot sizes one week and tiny lot sizes the next week. After 5 weeks, you can do whatever lot sizing you want. So the Profit Retriever is Alex's latest robot. It's a dollar cost averaging EA that works best in ranging environments. It uses a moving average. I've got here SMA 20 to determine the direction of the first trade. So I've got here it's set to reverse, so the moving average is pointing up. I'm going to go sell instead. If the trade goes against you, then we'll open another trade, and I've set it to 90% lot sizing. There you go. We've gone from 1 lot to 0.9 lots, and when the price retraces down, we will be in profit. Boom, $83. And if the price does go in your favor, so we're looking to do another sell, it will just close at a profit. Boom, there you go. So that's the 2 instances of how it works when it moves against you and it moves in your favor. And obviously, again, this works best in ranging environments. So with lot sizing, I find the best ratio to maximize the return to drawdown is less than 100%. If you go over 100%, then you're going into the martingale strategy. So this is effectively an anti-martingale strategy. All right, so to win, we need a plan. This plan I've come up with is we're going to optimize a bunch of settings. From those, we'll pick about 20. Why 20? That's because I have a 3 PC setup. So this one, I've used my main PC where I use them for emails, YouTube, backtesting, etc. 2, I've got a crappy old laptop which I use to run all my test accounts on. And 3, a VPS which I use for my live accounts. So for this scenario, I'm going to be using my crappy old laptop to run the MT4 terminals, and optimizations will be done using my main PC. So, and my crappy old laptop can run about 20 separate MT4 terminals, so that's why I've chosen 20. So we'll monitor those 20 accounts over the next few months. If any of them blow, which I expect many will, because optimized settings hardly ever work going forward. So when they blow, that's okay. We're just going to restart those EAs on fresh new demo accounts and just continue the cycle till eventually we win. I found a template for optimizing the Profit Retriever in one of Alex's videos. You can use the set files in the settings database, or you can use this one. Let's pick a few currencies at random. These are the ones I've chosen randomly, and let's optimize using the template I showed you before on these ones over the past year. I have 6 MT4 terminals running on my main PC, and we're going to optimize every tick from May 2021 to May 2022. I'm going to be optimizing using tick data, which is going to be a bit slow, but hopefully my PC can handle it. So I use eareview.net for my tick data backtesting and optimization. Links will be in the description below. And why I love it is because it puts this little box down here to the MT4, so you don't have to manipulate data, you don't have to run scripts or anything to get it working. The interface itself is pretty easy. You choose your source and you choose download to download each one, and here I'm going to update it to today's latest data, and once that's done, it's ready to use. No scripts, no manipulation or whatsoever, just go straight into MT4 and start optimization. Speaking of optimization, let us kick off those 7 optimizations and see how it goes. It's taking forever. I'm going to stop it and take some samples. I've extracted them all to Excel. You can see here all the different currencies that I have chosen, and I've added a first column called return on drawdown, which is the drawdown divided by the profit. Now we want this number to be as low as possible. So I'm just going to pick a few at random. So Euro USD, I'm going to pick one with less than 10,000 drawdown. And this one, I'm going to pick this one because that has a high profit. Pound, this one because that's a high profit, and this one because it's got a low drawdown. Same with USD CAD. Numbers aren't as high as I want, but we'll see how it performs in live. And next one, 100k profit with 14k profit. The drawdown's a bit high. And then gold, I'm going to pick 2 different settings. I think we're going to take this one out. I'll keep the top 2. And last one, I'm going to choose this one, 54,000 and 24,000 in profits. I'm not going to show the settings here because the settings aren't important, because realistically we won't be using these settings in live. These are crazy settings and I don't expect them to work. I expect many to blow, but that's the plan for demo testing. So I've got my 12 set files. Next, I wanted to check out a few brokers to find one that offers 10,000 demo accounts. So some were at 20,000, some were at 50,000. I found FBS, which allows you to set the amount of your demo accounts. So let's create 12, install the robots on these, set up the monitoring accounts, and then load the set files onto the EA. It's Sunday night, the competition and market will open up tomorrow. I've got 12 EAs set up to go. I'll monitor them, and if any of them blow up, which I'm expecting, I'll create new demo accounts and restart them on the same settings. In part 2, we're going to watch as I make 1,544% return, and then I blew up my winning account and lost all my entries. That should be fun to watch.